Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's recipe, I'm showing you guys a super easy, juicy lobster tail recipe. So delicious. If you guys would like to see it, keep on watching. Also, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up for me if it was helpful. Without further ado, let's get right to it. To begin, I am going to melt some butter. I'm using about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We're going to add the seasoning in there so we can season our lobster tail with it. All right, once that is nice and melted, we're going to add the seasoning. For the measurement, please check the description box below. To season it, we're adding a little bit of salt based on your taste. Half a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, half a teaspoon of paprika, a quarter teaspoon ground black pepper, and we're using 1 garlic clove to add to it. We're also adding half a lime juice in there as well. Give that a quick stir. Set it aside. We're moving on to the lobster tail. Now I have 2 lobster tails here that I'm going to remove these. Okay, just remove them. Make sure your lobster tails are nice and clean. We're going to press the bottom part of them just like so the takeout process can be nice and easy. Now you're going to take your kitchen shears and just cut the back of the lobster shell all the way down. Now once you're done, all we have to do is pull out the meat. Be careful so you don't mess up the meat and you know how you want it to look nice and perfect. So be careful when you're taking out the meat. Then we're going to pull out the meat of the lobster. It's pretty easy. I know sometimes it might be a little tricky to do it, but once you do one, you get the hang of it. And that is it. Pull it all the way out just like that. And remove any membrane that's in there that doesn't really look too appetizing. Okay, just remove them. All right, now we're going to move on to the seasoning. We have both lobster nice and clean. We're going to season them with garlic powder, a little bit of ground black pepper, and also we'll add some paprika to it as well. Just a little few dashes, okay? And we'll add a little bit of the Old Bay as well. So I'll say a quarter teaspoon of each. Now I'm going to separate my butter sauce. I'm using 3 tablespoons for later, so set that aside. And we're going to take the remaining of the butter sauce. We're going to add that onto the lobster. And make sure you get the back of it. I know a lot of people, when they season their lobster, they literally forget to season the back of the lobster. So don't be one of these people. Make sure you season it from front to back. Once you're done, we're going to bake it on 400 degrees, guys. 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. You see how good they look so far? We're going to bake them now. Once they're done, ooh, look at that juicy meat. We're going to add the rest of the butter sauce on there just like so. And it's very garlicky and it's zesty. with the little lime juice in there as well. Ugh, the meat was so juicy. I love, love, love lobster and crab as well. So check out my other fried lobster recipe. I do have one. I will place it on the screen. Go watch it if you a lobster lover. And also I have some seafood boil recipe as well. If you're interested, they will be down below or on a card. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.